Hello, everyone. As we reach the later stages of life, many of us begin to reflect on the paths we've taken, the relationships we've formed, and the legacy we leave behind. But one question often remains unanswered. Why do people, even close friends and family, sometimes start to avoid us after we reach the age of 70? Why does it seem that as the years go by, the circles that once surrounded us slowly shrink until we feel a sense of isolation? Is it inevitable, or is there something we can do to restore those connections before it's too late? For seniors, social isolation is not just a mild inconvenience. It's an emotional and psychological burden that can significantly affect overall well-being. The relationships we build in our younger years often define our sense of self-worth and happiness. So when those bonds begin to fade, it can feel as though our place in the world is slipping away. But why does this happen, and is there a way to prevent it? These are the questions that many elderly individuals face, and they are worth exploring in depth. Aging brings about many changes, some physical, some emotional, and some social. However, the social aspect of aging is often overlooked, leading to the painful realization that despite all the effort we put into maintaining relationships throughout life, the very same people might start distancing themselves from us as we grow older. But before we jump to conclusions about the inevitable loneliness that might come with age, it's important to first understand the underlying factors contributing to this distance, and more importantly, how we can fix it before it's too late. This video aims to delve into the reasons behind this social distancing, why people might start avoiding seniors after the age of 70, and most importantly, how to address it proactively. With insight, effort, and a bit of courage, it's possible to rebuild social connections, stay socially engaged, and continue to enjoy fulfilling relationships well into the later years of life. The root causes of isolation after 70. 1. Health decline and physical limitations. One of the most obvious factors contributing to social distancing in seniors is the decline in physical health. As we age, our bodies change. Mobility issues, chronic pain, and other health problems like hearing loss, vision impairment, and cognitive decline can make it harder to participate in social activities. The inability to join in outings, attend social events, or even keep up with conversations can leave elderly individuals feeling left out, which leads to isolation. Moreover, caregivers or family members, though well-meaning, might unintentionally distance themselves out of concern. They may limit their loved ones' social interactions to protect them from discomfort or accidents, which can create feelings of being unwanted or invisible. 2. Loss of independence. Aging often comes with a loss of independence, whether it's due to mobility issues, financial constraints, or the need for assistance with daily tasks. This loss can be particularly difficult for those who have spent their lives self-sufficient and in control. Seniors who find themselves relying more on others might experience frustration or embarrassment, which can make them less inclined to engage socially. Family members or friends may not always recognize these feelings, which can lead to misunderstandings. Seniors might also withdraw socially out of a sense of pride or shame about their changing circumstances. 3. Changing interests and lifestyles. As we age, our interests and lifestyle choices often shift. Retirement, for example, might open up more time, but it could also reduce the structured social engagements that were once a part of daily life, such as work-related activities or neighborhood interactions. Seniors might find that their hobbies or passions no longer align with those of their friends or family, leading to a sense of disconnect. Additionally, family members may be busy with their own lives, careers, and children. The generational gap can widen, and shared experiences that once brought people together might no longer exist. 4. Stereotyping and ageism. Ageism, or the discrimination based on age, is another major contributor to isolation. Society often holds negative stereotypes about older adults, viewing them as frail, forgetful, or irrelevant. These stereotypes can seep into our relationships, consciously or unconsciously, causing younger people to avoid spending time with older individuals. Seniors themselves may internalize these societal attitudes, which can lead them to withdraw or feel that their presence is unwanted or burdensome. This internalized ageism can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, where they stop making an effort to stay connected, and others mirror that behavior. 5. Emotional and psychological factors. With age can come the weight of grief, loss, and loneliness. The loss of a spouse, close friends, or loved ones can leave a profound void in a senior's life. These emotional challenges can make it difficult for them to open up or maintain social connections. Furthermore, depression and anxiety, which can be more common in older adults, might lead to withdrawal from social situations. The emotional toll of aging can sometimes feel overwhelming, and seniors may struggle to find ways to express their needs or connect with others who understand their experience. How to address isolation and rebuild relationships. While the reasons behind social distancing are multifaceted, there are actionable steps that seniors can take to restore their social circles and build meaningful connections. The key is to be proactive, open-minded, and compassionate with oneself and others. 1. Stay physically active. One of the most effective ways to combat social isolation and maintain a positive social life is through physical activity. Exercise, even if it's gentle, like walking or yoga, helps improve mobility, reduce pain, and boost mood. Feeling physically well makes it easier to engage in social activities, and the sense of accomplishment from staying active can counter feelings of loneliness. Moreover, many seniors find that joining exercise groups or fitness classes designed for older adults provides a chance to meet new people and form lasting friendships. The social aspect of fitness can be just as important as the physical benefits. 2. Maintain regular communication with loved ones. Seniors can make a conscious effort to maintain contact with family and friends, even if it's through phone calls, video chats, or letters. Sometimes younger people might unintentionally drift away, but reaching out regularly can remind them of the senior's desire to stay connected. Scheduling regular check-in calls with loved ones can create a sense of routine and assurance that both sides value the relationship. Moreover, it's important for seniors to communicate openly about their needs and desires. If they feel left out or forgotten, expressing this to family members in a non-accusatory way can often lead to a greater understanding and deeper connection. 3. Join social clubs and groups. Isolation can sometimes be alleviated by finding new social outlets. Many communities offer senior-specific programs, such as book clubs, gardening clubs, or volunteer opportunities that encourage interaction with others. These groups often provide a safe, welcoming environment where seniors can engage in activities they enjoy while meeting people who share similar interests. Online communities, too, can offer a valuable source of social interaction. Social media, forums, or virtual hobby groups enable seniors to connect with others across the globe, offering a broader range of interactions than what might be available locally. 4. Combat ageism by staying engaged. Breaking through the stereotype of aging requires an active effort. Seniors should seek to engage in activities and conversations that showcase their wisdom, experience, and passions. Volunteering, taking up new hobbies, or continuing education can be ways to stay intellectually and emotionally active. This helps not only in dispelling age-related stereotypes, but also in fostering new connections with people of all ages. Additionally, seniors can consider mentoring younger people, which not only brings a sense of purpose, but also bridges the generational gap. Sharing knowledge and experience can be mutually enriching and can prevent feelings of being overlooked. 5. Seek emotional support. Coping with emotional challenges like loss, depression, or anxiety is a critical part of staying socially connected. Seniors should seek professional help, whether through therapy, counseling, or support groups, to address these emotional hurdles. Sometimes, just having a safe space to talk about their feelings can significantly improve their overall well-being and help them feel less isolated. 6. Focus on mental health. Mental sharpness and cognitive health can play a significant role in social engagement. Regular mental exercises, such as puzzles, reading, or learning new skills, help maintain cognitive function and foster a sense of accomplishment. Mental clarity improves one's ability to engage in meaningful conversations and connect with others. Incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation can also help reduce stress and promote emotional health, making social interactions more enjoyable and less stressful. While the process of aging can sometimes lead to feelings of isolation and distance from others, it is not a permanent state. By understanding the underlying causes of social avoidance and taking proactive steps to rebuild relationships, seniors can not only maintain, but also enhance their social lives as they grow older. The key is to be intentional, stay engaged, and open up communication with loved ones. With the right mindset and support, it's entirely possible to foster meaningful relationships, stay active, and continue to live a fulfilling, socially connected life well into one's senior years.